in mathematics you need to learn 1 to 20 tables. Yes, 1 to 20 tables you need to learn, and you need to learn 1 to 30 squares, and you need to learn 1 to 15 cubes. Guys, if you will learn all these, this will help you to calculate fast in your exam. Yes, definitely this will help you to calculate in your exam. These three things should be on your fingertips, right? ये जो तीनों की तीनों टिप्स हैं, ये जो तीनों की तीनों चीजें हैं, ये आपकी फिंगर टिप्स पर होनी चाहिए. हेलो पारुल, गायत्री, मनीषा, रविंदर, प्रवीण, पूनम, कैसे हैं आप लोग? यस. अब सबसे बड़ा सवाल ये उठता है कि सर हम ये याद कहां से करेंगे, है ना सर? ये याद कहां से करेंगे? 1 से 20 तक टेबल, 1 से 30 तक स्क्वायर्स, 1 to 15 क्यूब्स, ये याद कहां से करेंगे हम? सो गाइज, टुडे आई एम well equipped for you guys. So this is the list of all the tables from 1 to 20. So you can take the screenshot and try to remember all the tables from 1 to 20. Only up to this step is okay. Yes, you need not to learn this table completely. You need not to learn this table completely. You need to learn only up to this. Yes. So this is the table for you guys up to from 1 to 20 table. Okay? Right. So let's move on to the second one. Yes, from 1 to 30 squares. Yes, you can take the screenshot. Guys, I am telling you today I am well equipped to give you the material to learn, and I am damn sure if you will learn all these things, this will maximize your marks in mathematics. Yes, मुझे गाइस पूरा विश्वास है अगर आप याद कर लेते हैं तो. ठीक है, अगर आप याद कर लेते हैं तो आपको डेफिनेटली इससे फायदा होगा. ठीक है, ओके. ये 1 to 30 क्यूब्स हैं, ये भी आपको याद करने हैं फ्रॉम 1 to 30, राइट? एंड वन मोर थिंग गाइज, एज यू ऑल नो, Pythagorean triplets, this is perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. Guys, Pythagorean triplets plays very important role in geometry topic, in mensuration topic. If you have all the Pythagorean triplets in your pocket, definitely very soon the dream job will be in your pocket. Yes, your dream job will be in your pocket, but first of all you need to learn all the Pythagorean triplets also. All right, so these are the Pythagorean triplets. These are very important Pythagorean triplets, and first Pythagorean triplets are frequently asked, or you can say these are basic Pythagorean triplets. Okay, ये 5 जो Pythagorean triplets हैं बहुत important Pythagorean triplets हैं, ये बार रिपीट होते हैं. As you can see, 1160-61 question was asked in SSC Mains 2018. And on the basis of this 28, 45, 53 question was asked in Mains 2018, right? So these Pythagorean triplets are very important. This will definitely save your time. For example, if in a right angle triangle, if you have this side and if you have this side and you need to calculate this hypotenuse, I know you can calculate this hypotenuse by applying the Pythagoras theorem. Yes, I know, but if you have this Pythagorean triplet 1160, 61 in your mind, you can write the value of this in just 1 second. Yes, this will help you to maximize your marks in mensuration and in geometry, definitely. All right, guys. Okay. So this is the collection of all the Python triplets.